In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Revolut payment on Facebook business ad account. By the end, you'll have your Revolut card connected so your ad charges are handled smoothly. First, log into Facebook Business Manager at business.facebook.com. Make sure you're in the correct business if you manage more than one and that you have the right permissions on the ad account. Admin or finance access is typically required to add payment methods. Once you're in, head to Settings and open the Payments section. Depending on your layout, this might appear as billing and payments or payment methods. If you're prompted to choose an ad account, select the one you want to fund with Revolut, so the payment method is attached to the right place. Next, click Add Payment Method. Facebook will open a window to collect your payment details. You'll usually be adding a Revolut card, either a physical or virtual card, so keep it handy. If you use a Revolut business card, ensure you're using the correct card assigned to your business and that it's authorized for online ads. Enter your card number, expiry date, and CVV exactly as shown in your Revolut app. Then provide the billing address that matches what's on your Revolut account. Consistency is key here. Mismatched details are a common reason for declines or reviews. If your business name appears in the name field, keep it consistent with your Revolut profile. Also, it helps to have your ad account currency aligned with the currency of the Revolut card to reduce conversion fees. If you want Revolut to be your default way to pay for ads, set it as your primary payment method. Making it primary means Facebook will charge this card first for your ad spend. You can still keep other methods on file as backups and reorder them later if needed. After you save, wait for verification. Facebook may run a small temporary authorization charge or flag the card for review. You might also see a 3D secure prompt from Revolut to confirm the payment. Approve it in your Revolut app if prompted. Verification can be quick, but sometimes it takes a little longer. Keep an eye on notifications in both Facebook and Revolut and ensure there are available funds for the test charge. Once the method shows as added and active, you're ready to launch campaigns. Any new ad spend will be billed to your Revolut payment method based on your billing threshold or monthly invoice schedule. It's a good idea to monitor your billing section for invoices, refunds of the verification charge, and any alerts so your ads keep running without interruption.